Hello, dear students. Very good morning. In the last class, we have seen up to pavement quality concrete, that is PQC. That was the last article as far as 6th A part is concerned. So, we have seen in that what is PQC, what is the need of it, and what are the materials are used, and how it is spread, etc. Now, we will see sixth B part. Sixth B part, you can see here, sixth B part, modern trends in highway materials, construction and maintenance. So whatever the olden methods of construction of road are being used even uh, present day also. However, the new trends in various materials, construction methodologies or procedure have been revised and specifications are changed, and also in maintenance improved methods and material should be used during the maintenance also has been changing day by day or year to year. Accordingly, we have to see those modern things. So photographs will show you, as you have been looking after these photographs, to understand yourself what are the various equipments and machineries are being used during road construction and different types of roads, spreading operations, rolling operation, marking operation, etc. Compaction method, for which type of rollers are used, etc. are seen on the photograph. Mastic asphalt. This is sixth B part. The mastic asphalt product comprises of suitably graded limestone aggregates bound together with asphalt cement, primarily refined bitumens, to produce a dense, voidless material. Dense and voidless material. As much as void is less in the mix or in the aggregate, so much will be the stronger one is the mix. Mastic asphalt is an ideal material for a whole range of construction applications in both new built and refurbishment, where a smooth, seamless and durable surface is required. It offers total waterproofing integrity for roofing and tanking and acts as a tough working surface in flooring and paving. So it is used as a waterproofing. This is mastic asphalt, a schematic sketch, figure, photograph. Next, cold mix asphalt technology. It is produced by, cold asphalt mix is produced by mixing the unheated material aggregate with either emulsified bitumen or foamed bitumen. Unlike hot mix asphalt HMA, cold asphalt mix does not require any heating of aggregate, which makes it economical and relatively pollution free. No objectionable fumes or odors are produced. So because of heating or at the time of or during heating, naturally we observe the objectionable fumes and odors, but it is pollution, but it may create pollution. But in cold mix technology, since it is not heated, it becomes economical and as well pollution free. Production of cold asphalt mix does not require high investment in equipment, which makes it economical. It is also suitable for use in remote areas. Cold asphalt mixes can be used both for initial compaction, that is 100% virgin mixes, and for recycling of asphalt pavements. This is cold mix asphalt technology, means the machinery which is used and then it is being spread and compacted by the roller. The view of compaction also is seen in this. Mix types. Primarily two types of virgin cored asphalt mixes are used, dense graded and open graded. Dense graded and open graded. Slurry seal and microsurfacing can also be considered cored mixes, although used as surface treatment. The slurry seal consists of a mixture of mineral aggregate, mostly fine aggregates, slow setting cationic bitumen emulsion, water and additives if needed. It is proportioned, mixed and uniformly spread over a prepared surface. So the existing surface, it should be cleaned and well prepared, and then of this designed proportioned mixed and uniformly it is spread. Both slurry seal and microsurfacing have the following application and limitations. It should be used on existing bituminous surfaces. Existing pavement should be structurally sound and should be having good riding quality. Existing bituminous surface should not have any severe distress except hairline cracks, oxidized, that is aged road surface, or polished surface, and it should be applied to roads carrying low to medium traffic only. On heavy traffic roads, both wear off permanently, especially in the wheel tracks. It should not be used. That is the limitation. Warm mix asphalt technology. Warm mix asphalt, WMA, is the generic term for a variety of technologies that allow producers of hot mix asphalt pavement material to lower temperatures at which the material is mixed and placed on the road. It has been proven a technology that can reduce the paving costs, extend the paving season. It improves asphalt compaction, allow asphalt mix to be hauled longer distances, and also it improves the working conditions by reducing the exposure to fuel emissions, fumes and odors. Improves working conditions by reducing the exposure to fuel, emissions of fumes and odors. This is warm mix asphalt technology. How the simple tool is used in order to spread the material. After it is brought from the plant, it is first of all poured on the surface by a tipper or dumper, and it will be spread using such tools. Wherever it is not possible to use big machineries to spread. WMA production methods use temperatures 30 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, lower than traditional hot mix plant. In paving projects, the greater the temperature difference between the asphalt mix and the outside temperature, the faster the mix cools. Additionally, WMA saves time in production as well as in surfacing roads. Because WMA makes compaction easier, it is cost saving by reducing the time and labor spent for compacting the mix. Lower temperatures also permit more asphalt mix to be hauled for longer distances, which reduces the cost. How does it work? WMA technologies reduce the viscosity of the asphalt binder so that asphalt aggregates can be coated at lower temperatures. The key is the addition of additives. That means water-based, organic, chemical or hybrids to the asphalt mix. The additives allow the asphalt binders and asphalt aggregates to be mixed at the lower temperatures. Reducing the viscosity also makes the mixture easier to manipulate and compact at the lower temperature. Is it not so? When we reduce the viscosity, it makes the mixture easier to manipulate and compact at the lower temperature. Performance. If you look at the performance, proper compaction is critical to well-performing pavements. One indication of proper compaction is density. If density achieved is good, then definitely performance is much better. WMA is also versatile. It has been used successfully in a range of pavement thicknesses. Different thicknesses may be used. It is durable enough to withstand high traffic demands. Warm mix asphalt has been used successfully in Europe for more than 10 years. In the United States, WMA projects are now in more than 40 states. But in India, it is just at the beginning stage. However, we would also reach, by the time you become engineers and join different organizations to work for the society, you will remember, yes, teacher was saying we would also reach to that tune of such advanced methods in construction sector. Advantages. As the temperature level is relatively low, air pollution caused due to emission and fumes is less. Since temperature level is relatively low, air pollution caused due to this emission and fumes is less. Less energy is spent while manufacturing. Temperature drop during mixed transportation is not a longer concern. Even if there is a drop in the temperature during mixed transportation, it is no longer a concern. The construction season expands and the haul distances increases. Compacting effort is less so as to achieve a specified recycled or reclaimed asphalt pavement. RAP means you might have observed bituminous concrete pavements or bituminous carpet pavements or cement concrete pavement, that is rigid pavement. Whenever they reaches the failure, or if it is beyond the capacity of maintenance, we have to remove whole pavement section and it should be replaced. So whatever we remove, that we may call, we may do not call as demolish, but we can call it demolish, waste. As the building is demolished means whatever the waste obtained, that can be reused. Similarly here also it can be reused. That is the concept of recycled or reclaimed asphalt pavement. Reclaimed asphalt pavement RAP is defined as the removed pavement materials containing asphalt and aggregates. These materials are generated when asphalt pavements are demolished, removed for reconstruction, resurfacing, or to obtain access to the buried utilities. When properly crushed and screened, RAP consists of high quality and well graded aggregates coated by asphalt cement. You can see from the photograph also. Current management options for RAP. Recycling. The majority of the RAP that is produced is recycled and used. Recycled and used. Although not always in the same year that is produced. Recycled RAP is almost always returned back into the roadway structure in some or the other form, usually incorporated into asphalt paving by means of hot or cold recycling. But it is also sometimes used as an aggregate in base or sub-base construction. Disposal. Excess asphalt concrete is disposed of in landfills or sometimes in the right of way. In most situations, this occurs where small quantities are involved or where the material is commingled with other materials or facilities are not readily available for collecting and processing the RAP. In such circumstances only, the disposal is opted and it can be disposed in landfills or sometimes in the right of way. What are the uses in highways? Milled or crushed RAP can be used in a number of highway construction applications. These include its use as an aggregate substitute and asphalt cement supplement in recycled asphalt paving, that is hot mix or cold mix, as a granular base or sub-base, stabilized base aggregates, or as an embankment or fill material. Right? RAP can be used on highways in a number of highway construction applications. These include its use as an aggregate substitute and asphalt cement supplement in recycled asphalt paving, that is either hot mix or cold mix, as a granular base or sub-base, stabilized base aggregate, or as an embankment or fill material it can be used. Asphalt concrete aggregate, asphalt concrete aggregate and asphalt cement supplement. Recycled asphalt pavement can be used as an aggregate substitute material, but in this application it also provides additional asphalt cement binder, thereby reducing the demand for asphalt cement in new or recycled asphalt mixes containing RAP. When used in asphalt paving applications, either hot mix or cold mix, RAP can be processed at either a central processing facility or on the job site. In place processing we call. If it is done at the job site, we call in place processing, or otherwise it can be processed at a central processing facility or plant. Thank you. Have a good day. Please keep studying all these and keep listening all these videos, not only in our subject, all the subjects. You give equal prominence to all the subjects so that by the time you reach the exam, it will be more easier and convenience and you will be in comfortable position to give exam. Okay? We will stop here.